How long should your online course be? Well, I have another video on that, but in this video I want to tell you that the biggest courses are not the best courses. Once upon a time, the courses that made the most sales were the ones that were the biggest, fattest, longest videos, ones that had like 50 hours worth of brain-numbing content, right? People used to look at size and think size matters and go, because it's big, it must be good. That is no more, my friends. Now the mindset of course buyers is the shorter and straighter to the point and less amount of my life and time that it wastes, the more likely I'm going to be to buy it. People want the answers to their questions and tell me what I need to do and how to do it fast, as quickly as possible. Strip away every ounce of waffle and get straight to the point. Now, courses that used to be 5-10 hours long now are being shortened down to like 90-minute workshops, and they are far more popular because they get straight to the point. They tell people exactly what they need to know, what to do and how to do it, and leave out all of the other 5 to 10 hours worth of somebody else's time that used to get sucked away. People have got kids, they've got jobs, they've got commitments, they've got businesses to run. And so I thought, okay, what I'll do is I'll make a real fast version of each online course that I have inside my particular academy, because I've got well over 80 courses in my academy. So I was just taking one of those courses, pulling out the absolute must-know points, and started delivering those as 90-minute fast action workshops. And then when somebody did want to know more, I could point them to the full online course where it went into much more depth. So this is how you can kind of look at your business. Think of all the things that you want to teach and all the stuff that you want to cover and go, what would the 60-minute version of this training be? What would the 3-hour workshop version of this training be? And what would my full immersion week-long program of this be? Because you can actually create then multiple products at multiple different prices for the people that want to go into that content or that topic at each of those different depths. It creates multiple income streams and options for you and multiple options for your students who are all at different levels of engagement. If you've got any questions about creating your own online course, please drop them in the comments below. And if you really want to get your courses out to the world, create your own membership academy or coaching program, come and join my Edupreneur Academy, sarahcord.com/academy. I'll see you there.